Okay, our recipe today is going to be cracked green beans. And basically that's green beans, a casserole with bacon and some other goodies. And we're going to get started by cooking the bacon.
And while this bacon is okay, it is not the same as the bacon from the Winkler Farms. Sorry, Scott, it's not your bacon.
Okay, got it? Okay, so we start out by putting 5 cans of cut green beans in a 9x13 pan. Okay. And we need to melt 3/4 of a cup of butter. And to that, okay. And while we're doing that, let me see, I need 2/3 cup of 1/3. 2/3. Yay! Okay. Alright, so our butter's melting. We need 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Perfect. Okay, while the butter's melting, and back over here, make sure our beans are spread evenly. Okay, and we're going to put the bacon. You can use, crunch them up. Should use about 8 full slices. I always cut my bacon in half when I cook it, so these are half slices. I'm just going to cover the beans. I think I'm going to worry too much about how many slices I have. I have plenty of bacon here.
Can't have too much bacon.
No, can never have too much bacon. Okay, so we want to do one here. Okay. Okay, I'll fill in the spots. Okay, I think that looks good. A bit more here in the middle. Okay, I think it's good, yes?
Mm-hmm.
For the butter to fully melt, and to that we're going to add the brown sugar, 2/3 cup brown sugar into the 3/4 cup of melted butter. I'm trying to do this on real low so we don't have any issues. Burnt butter, it's not going to be pretty. Okay, shut that off. Okay, we're going to need measuring spoon. What do we got here? Tablespoon. Let's see what we're supposed to do in there. 1/2 teaspoons, 2 tablespoons. Perfect. Okay, so into our butter, we're going to add brown sugar. We need garlic. 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. So we'll do a half a tablespoon because that's what I have out. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's 1. 2. Alrighty. Give a spoon and stir it up. I have to put a spoon in there. Gotta find it. Well, it's a little big. We don't care. Okay, so I'm going to stir that, mix that well. Make sure. Yep, we have all the ingredients. Okay, so it's nice and stirred well. So now we're going to pour it all over our beans and bacon. Then we're going to bake it for 40 minutes uncovered in the oven at 350 degrees. And we'll see how it comes out. Alrighty. Do the other way so it faces the camera. Kind of using the spoon to help get it in the corners and get it all over, so everything gets some sauce. Okay. Alrighty, our oven is already set at 350. So we're going to pop this in the oven. Just fits on a lower shelf in great shape. Not good. Okay, so we're going to pop this in and we're going to get our ribs out and check them. Probably time to take the cover off and put a little barbecue sauce on them, but we don't know. We're going to look at that. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's where we're at. They're going to fall apart. Okay. So we need our baster. And we're just going to put a little water in the pan just so it doesn't keep burning. And we're going to pop this back in the oven. And our guava barbecue sauce on it. All right. Good. Okay, pop overs. All right, we're going to pop this back in the oven, uncovered now so it gets nice and brown on top. Okay, and we'll keep an eye on that. All righty, let you know when the beans are done.